and today we are going to be reacting to restricted restoration MP4. I believe this is a thing for Puppy Playtime Chapter 3. So, good tempo. Anyway, let's get straight into this. And 3 pollen. Oh, by the way, I will link the original video down below, and go support the original creator, Mob Entertainment. Go follow him on Twitter, all that good stuff. So, anyway, here we go. 3 pollen, 2 pollen, 1 pollen, and let's go.
Look into the fire.
I mean, that kind of looks like a good game, like the Jedi Savior thing, or the Star Wars Jedi Savior. Okay, let's do this. Oh, that's that dinosaur. Oh.
59-year-old Thomas Clark, a full-time employee at Playtime Co. since 1955. 6 months ago, he was diagnosed with terminal lung cancer. Now, Mr. Clark, of sound mind, has volunteered for this experiment.
Lung cancer. Okay.
We have eye movement. Can you hear us, Thomas?
1199 displayed much more.
Yo, they actually did put people's souls into toys in this game.
Just conjecture on my part, but I don't believe he knows where he is or what's happened to him. To make matters worse, the other experiments
that is
was different.
So the dinosaur that we've seen in chapter 2, this is the okay. Oh, now it's gonna make it worse. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What the hell is that? Yeah. Oh my God.
They would have killed him had the research team
Isn't that the dinosaur from the
even
first
then, there was
chapter?
still significant damage to the internal structures.
I'm trying to
some of the
think,
anatomy,
like,
namely the larynx.
It might be the dinosaur from the first chapter that they're showing this thing.
12 hours in surgery to stabilize 1199. We keep him separated from the others now.
Is that it? That's it. Wow. Wow. Okay. Well, yeah. I'm gonna have to. Okay, so this is just like a teaser, a VHS. I think VHS teaser 3, I believe, which means it's probably like a teaser for maybe Puppy Playtime Chapter 3. I believe it's that. I don't know, but Mob Entertainment. That was short and sweet. I loved it. I think I'll rate this a big jar of honey for this, because that was just so short and sweet. It got to the point. I liked it. I really liked it. I like how, I believe this might be from like chapter 2 or 1. I'm not sure yet. I'm definitely not sure. But also I had to watch something for like Puppy Playtime anyway, because they are going to be making a movie for the game itself, Puppy Playtime. Now, I don't know who they're going to pick to play as Mommy Longlegs, but I'm pretty sure, I mean, we might feel bad for her again, though, because I actually did feel bad for her in chapter 2, not gonna lie. But yeah. Anyways, if you like my reaction to restricted restoration.mp4 by Mom Entertainment, before I do that real quick, go subscribe to Mob Entertainment, because this was great. This had 1 million views, and I see why, because it was a great kind of VHS teaser for Chapter 3. So, what was I saying? Oh yeah. Right. If you liked my reaction to this VHS teaser for Poppy Playtime Chapter 3, why not sting that subscribe button, sting that like button, sting that notification bell anytime I upload a new video, and share this video if you're excited for Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 coming out. Because I know I am, because I've seen like Will Ryan, shout out to DA Games again, by the way, I'm definitely going to listen to his Poppy Playtime Chapter 2 song, because I'm going to be doing song reactions as well. Let's see, and 8-Bit Ryan, and just everyone who plays the game, like Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, I believe he played it as well. I believe the first one. I believe he played both chapters. But yeah. That's about it, my bees. Till next time, this is your King of the Bees signing out with stay brave and stay awesome. Also, this is your King of the Bees off this reaction video.